8, destiny. Your destiny will be an extremely preposterous and powerful one. You will never know the meaning of poverty or subordination, for yours is the path of all that life has to offer. Fame, power, and fortune are the 3 corners of your crown. Executive ability and organizational skills are the tools with which you carve out a beautiful, serene niche for yourself and your family. They will be the implements of prosperity, success, and humanitarian deeds. With such ability, you would do well to align yourself only with large groups or organizations. The larger the group, the larger your rewards, whether they be financial or spiritual. A great sense of authority and of what is inordinately right will help you to direct your efforts toward great acquisitions. Your interest in philanthropic organizations can be extremely useful to them because you can draw to you that which many others cannot, and therefore can accomplish so much more. The efficiency and capability that you as an 8 reflect will save many hours of time, effort, and energy that can be put to work in areas where they are most needed. You are very perceptive and understand human nature. You therefore have sympathy for people less endowed than you. Your whole lifetime will be spent in lending a hand to anyone who needs it, and that which is given is always returned twofold. Courage is one of your greatest assets, and you display it often in fighting for equal rights for all mankind. The underdog is your pet project. It would be well to conserve some of the energy you expend on behalf of others and be a bit selective about your efforts. Behind your understanding of discipline and discrimination hides a terribly destructive force that could be possibly use your finest attributes in a negative sense for the force of evil, for power is a terrifying weapon that can be used in any way you wish. However, should the negative side of your nature persist and you wield your power in the way that is harmful, you will never enjoy the material possessions you acquire because there will be no serenity inherent in them to give you the joy that good works and honest acquisitions surround you with. Material things will be yours without much effort, but your happiness will also be spiritual in the knowledge that you have accomplished something unique by sheer dint of your ability. Imagination is not one of your strong characteristics. Therefore, it is wise to develop efficiency in the mastering of every experience in which you find yourself in order to apply the sum total to your real goal, which you are then sure to gain. With your great concern for others, you will enjoy your wealth because it allows you to give to the less fortunate, and this you do gladly and constantly.